It's not going to be a matter of what I'm going to be putting into my business. It's going to be how can I get everything I learned into there, because there's so much I've learned here.
It's been really motivational for us to move forward and be able to take our business to the next level.
Momentum, it is a coming together of like-minded people, a safe space that you will learn, build, grow.
The small setting of momentum is absolutely the difference.
When you get to go to the table talks, you get to just really have a dialogue. You know, it's not you standing there listening to somebody.
The networking is just absolutely invaluable.
The presenters he's had here, there's not one of them that hasn't said, hey, if you hit a wall, call me and I'll be happy to help you. You just don't find that a lot.
I've come to this time and time and again to be energized, to be excited, to be around smart people, loving what they do, and it's been fantastic. Lou is exactly who he comes across as online. When you meet him in the hallway or on the sidewalk or in the park, it's the same guy. He cares, he inspires, and he legitimately supports you.
I started Momentum not just because I want you to be successful, more importantly, because I want you to be happy. I want you to build a life that you freaking love.
Being part of Lou's community has changed my life forever.
You'll find the connections, you'll find the motivation, the information, and probably make your dreams come true.